In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep Zoom tools from disappearing during your meetings or online sessions. If you've ever been in a Zoom meeting and found yourself frustrated because the toolbar keeps vanishing when you need it most, you're in the right place. We have a couple of effective methods that can alleviate this common issue. First, let's dive into the first method, which is about keeping your cursor active. This might sound simple, but it's quite effective. When you're in a Zoom meeting, just periodically move your mouse slightly every few seconds. This small action prompts Zoom to detect activity, which in turn keeps the toolbar visible. It may feel a bit odd to consciously move your mouse now and then, but it's a quick fix that ensures you have access to the controls whenever you need them. This is especially useful when you want to quickly mute or unmute, or if you're about to share your screen and want to access the sharing settings right away. Now let's talk about the second method, which involves exiting full screen mode. If you're in full screen and notice that the toolbar isn't sticking around as you would like, you can easily switch to windowed mode. To do this, simply click on View located at the top right of your screen and select Exit Full Screen. Once you're out of full screen mode and in windowed mode, you may notice that the controls tend to stay visible longer and more reliably. This setup generally provides a more consistent experience because the toolbar isn't programmed to disappear as often when you're not in the full screen setting. Windowed mode can be quite advantageous if you're someone who likes to multitask or needs to rearrange the screen frequently during a call, without the hassle of searching for controls. This adjustment ensures all your essential tools are always within reach, making your Zoom experience smoother and more efficient. And there you have it. These two straightforward methods help maintain easy access to your Zoom tools and minimize disruptions during your meetings. Whether you choose to keep your cursor moving or switch out of full screen, both options provide a viable solution. Implementing these tips can save you time and ease the minor frustrations many experience in a digital meeting environment. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you found these tips useful for your next Zoom meeting.